Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2019 GMC Terrain and I will show you how to change the date and the time. This video will apply to GMC Terrains made from 2018 all the way up to 2024. Now this is very easy to do. On the main screen you will press settings, and here in the main menu under system you will have time and date. Select this and now you can set the time by changing the dials, so that's simple. Then you can also set the date, same thing, and you can use 24-hour format or 12-hour format. That's again up to you, and that's how you do it. Once you make the change, you'll see the time will change here. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.